Now I'll show you how to create drop-down menu from the top navigation. So go to your main menu, and I would like to add a drop-down to the catalog. So I will simply click Add Menu Item and add a collection. So click under link, click on Collections, and select which collections you'd like to add. I'll add t-shirts. You can change the name as it appears in the menu if you want it, or filter the collections further, but it's not necessary. Simply click Add. And adding drop-down the menu is very straightforward with Shopify right now. Simply drag it under the catalog. So it looks like a secondary item under catalog. So it starts a little bit kind of in-depth in indent location under catalog. And now click Save. And I'll show you how it looks in your store. So here we go, we've got a top menu, and catalog has got this kind of arrow facing down. So it shows us that it's a drop down. Click on it, and we've got t-shirts shown here.